Hi guys, today we're doing virtual machine called MHJ C1F vulnerable machine. We were pointing out some vulnerabilities and trying to get into the machine. Okay, we are running the machine virtual box. It's running and even Kali is running in the background. This is the MHJ machine. This is our Kali. Okay, let's start. Let's start you. Just, let's start with finding the IP address of the machine. In Kali we can use. There is two ways to find this. Like we can use NetDiscover or we can use ARP scan. I'm going to use ARP scan here and with flag paste. Okay, we already found out three devices connected to this network. So make sure you are connected to the small network like your hotspot or small network actually, because you connect to your Wi-Fi or your college Wi-Fi, it's going to take more devices and more time to discover the devices. So okay, uh, this is the machine IP. This is the virtual machine, vulnerable machine, managed machine's IP address. So how did I find out is the any machine which is running on the when you're running on the virtual box, it has a MAC address starting with 08. So with that we can say that this IP is this IP address is belongs to the magic machine. So we are running Nmap scan here to to get the more details or open ports and the service running on the that ports on that machine. Okay, let's paste one. We're doing aggressive scan here. It is a basic guys, it's very basic machine. Okay, coming days we will move to the very difficult or medium machines. Okay, we got the results here. It was fast. We can see here there was a open port of port 80 port is open and the service is HTTP and Apache HTTPD is the version and another is TCP. SSH is also open 22 belongs to port 22 and the version is OpenSSH 7.61p1. Okay, with this we can say that these two are open and we can which is vulnerable. We can go and check in the browser uh, because there is a 80 port is open. So let's check it on the browser. What it says. Yeah, this is the IP. This is the website or port 80. What is showing? Okay, let's into the terminal and do next thing. Okay, guys. There is another method called as like we can do uh, brute like in the website where the 80 port is open. We will do like dictionary attack on the several URLs, so we can find any URL which can be useful. So there are two tools we can use. In this method we are using Dirb attack. So let's and we will paste to specify that in this specific area we should find any file which is ending with extension called .txt. Okay, when we hit enter, the tool starts combining several files. Okay, actually we got nodes.txt in that website. Let's go and check. Yeah, I should finish my second lab and I should delete remb.txt file and remb2.txt. See guys, when we enter in pen testing, yeah, I can say this is a very easy level of pen testing, but when we are doing pen testing, there are several elements we look at through the process. Several links. Maybe this is very easy to find out, but in the real world pen testing, we will get the hints, but in very difficult manner. Like we can't find it out easily, find out very easily. So in this, we can find it out very easily. So okay, yeah, remb.txt. We will check it. We can use it here itself. First stage, it says first stage, and flag it if you can. There's a code on here. Flag it if you can. Taking this as a username and this as a password for it. Let's move to the second stage, first stage. So we are using here for switch user. We can use SSH as it is open. We have a password there. Flag it if you can. 1234. We got inside. This is inside a machine actually. To say we hacked the machine in a lower privilege. Okay, let's see what's inside the machine. Let's there's as you can see. Hey, you did it. That's amazing. Good job, man. So just keep it up and get the root because I hate low privileges. Image jet cyber. It says that we already got into the machine, but it is in the low privilege, so we should get into the root privilege. For that, we should make some searching on what we have. Okay, let's bring what are we are inside the home and the directory called first stage. There are two here. There are two directories called image first stage and image C1F. Okay, let's get into the image C1F. Okay, there is another directory called paintings here. Okay, let's change. As you can see, when we move into the directory called paintings, there are four JPG files. What we can do is let's take these four files and download it in our system. For this, we have a tool called SCP, which stands for Secure Copy Protocol. With this, we can copy the files from the target machine to our attacker machine safely, securely, as it uses encryption. Hey, okay, let's use this. We should use the same address. Check Same password you're using here. Flag it if you can. Okay, yeah, we should have made a directory. Okay, so okay, we have downloaded uh, 4 files into our system. We should have made a directory. Okay, what we can do is when we have a JPG file, it also says that we can view and we can get some more in using like viewing the files, but to go to okay, let's view the files first. Let's see. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are the files we downloaded. Trigger type tool. We can paste the file here. We can use. We can try any dot extracted data to remb dot. Okay, let's. Oh, I know. I should delete. I know should delete this, but I can't remember it. Screw me. MHC1F. There is another hint here. This is considering this as a username and this as a password. We got another user. So let's start here. Let's get into the root here. C1F. You can copy and paste it. Okay, got it. Log inside. We can use ID to get the ID of a user's. What are the user? There is a sudo to disable, which has the higher privilege here. There are it is a groups. It shows the ID of a users of the machine. Sudo C. Password was okay. Let's paste the same password. As you can see, we got into the root. You can check here using who am I? Choose root. Okay, let's do. Yeah, we got the several files here, and in that we should open the file called root.txt. Done, guys. We got root. Okay, Mandy. Well done, sir. You have successfully got the root flag. I hope you enjoyed this machine.